Hi everyone, we're going to find the exact solution for the equation by completing the square. This is q squared minus 9q plus 11 equals 0. Our lead coefficient is 1, so this one's not going to be as difficult as the other ones we did. Let's rewrite this as q squared minus 9q, and let's subtract 11 from both sides, equals negative 11. Now, for the left-hand side, we're going to write it like this. So we're going to write q squared minus 9q, and we're going to add this b divided by 2 squared. Now, whatever we add to the left-hand side of the equation, we must add to the right-hand side of the equation. So basically, we're taking negative 9 divided by 2 squared and adding it to both sides of the equation. This gives you q squared minus 9q plus 81 fourths equals negative 11 plus 81 fourths. This is a perfect square trinomial. So now we can condense it because that's going to help us solve the equation. So we're going to write this as q minus, and you just take half of your b. Our b happens to be 9. So that's just 9/2 q squared equals, and now actually my common denominator is 4. So if I put a 4 here, I have to multiply this by 4. So it's negative 11 plus 81. So that's just going to be 70. So that's going to give us 70 divided by 4. All right, let's see if I can remember that. Okay, we have q minus 9/2 squared equals 70 divided by 4. Let me double check. Yes, all right. Now to solve, all we have to do is take the square root of both sides. Don't forget to put your plus or minus sign here. This is going to give you q minus 9/2 equals plus or minus square root of 70. We can go ahead and take the square root of 4 is 2. All right. Now we're going to add 9/2 to both sides. So just add 9/2. So that's going to give you q equals plus or minus square root of 70 divided by 2 plus 9/2. So that is your answer. A lot of textbooks will write this as q equals plus or minus, and they're going to pull out this 1/2 here and then write it as square root of 70 plus 9. And I can squeeze it in there. So either way you want to write it is fine, or some write it like q equals plus or minus, and they'll just write the square root of 70 plus 9 like that. All three of these are legitimate answers. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.